practice English speaking.
Hello, welcome to Practice English Speaking.
Hey everyone, welcome back, or welcome for the first time. No pressure, no exams, just English and fun.
Exactly. If English makes your brain feel tired, don't worry, mine feels tired too sometimes, and I'm speaking it.
Same here. And today we have a super useful topic.
Yes, today's topic is English conversation at the market.
Oh yes, the place where you buy food, talk to strangers, and pretend you know prices.
True, markets are perfect for English practice because you talk a lot and sometimes panic a little.
Especially when the seller talks fast and you just smile like, yes, okay.
Exactly. Don't worry, friends. Today we will practice easy, real English you can use every day.
And we'll make mistakes, laugh, and learn together. That's the best way.
All right, let's start our market adventure. Okay, Jake, imagine we are at a local market.
Okay, I'm ready. I have my shopping bag and zero money.
That's a problem already, but okay, let's start.
All right. Oh, wow. Look at all these fruits.
Yes, the market is full of colors, apples, bananas, oranges, and people shouting prices.
I love markets, but I always feel shy to speak.
Don't worry, let's practice together. I'll be the customer first.
Okay, I'll be the shopkeeper. Be nice to me.
I'll try, no promises. Excuse me.
Yes, hello, welcome. How can I help you today?
Wow, you sound very professional.
Thank you. I practiced in the mirror.
Okay, how much are these apples?
These apples are $2 per kilo.
That's a little expensive. Can you give me a discount?
Oh, you are already a good customer.
Of course, I smile, so I deserve a discount.
Okay. For you, $1.50.
Yay, that's better. I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Great choice. These apples are very fresh.
I hope so. I don't want apples that run away tomorrow.
Don't worry, they are not that fresh.
Now, let's change roles. You be the customer.
Oh no. Okay, I'll try.
Hello, welcome to my shop.
Hello. I want to buy, bananas.
Great. How many bananas do you want?
I don't know. Maybe 5?
5 bananas? Good choice. They are sweet and cheap.
That's good because I am also cheap.
Same here. The price is $1.
$1? Wow, that's cheaper than my coffee.
Everything is cheaper than coffee these days.
True. Here's the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. And don't forget to smile.
I always smile. It's free.
Ina, markets are great for learning numbers in English.
Yes. Prices, quantities, and funny math mistakes.
Like when you think it's cheap, but it's per kilo.
Oh, yes. That surprise hurts.
Let's practice some useful sentences.
Good idea. I'll say one, you repeat after me.
Okay, teacher Ina.
I say, how much is this?
How much is this?
Perfect. Next, can I have 1 kilo, please?
Can I have 1 kilo, please?
Nice. And the most important one,
Uh-oh.
can you make it cheaper?
Can you make it cheaper?
Excellent. You sound like a pro shopper now.
My mom would be proud.
You know, markets have funny moments.
Oh yes, like when you touch fruit and the seller stares at you.
Or when you say, just looking, and they follow you anyway.
Or when you don't understand the price and just nod slowly.
Yes. And inside your head, you're like, wait, what?
That's why learning English helps. No more guessing games.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to ask again.
Yes, you can say, sorry, can you repeat that?
Very useful sentence.
Or, can you speak slowly, please?
Perfect English, Jake. I'm impressed.
Wow, thank you. I feel smart now.
Let's do one more short role play.
Okay, but go easy on me.
No promises. Hello, what would you like today?
Hi, I want some tomatoes, please.
How many tomatoes?
Maybe 3.
Good choice. Anything else?
Yes, I want onions, but not too big.
Small onions only. Got it.
How much is everything?
It's $3.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too, and don't forget to smile.
Always. Wow, that was fun. I feel like I just went shopping.
Same, and we didn't even carry heavy bags.
That's the best kind of shopping.
Friends, today you learned how to speak English at the market,
You learned how to ask prices
how to buy things.
and how to smile when you're confused.
Haha, very important skill.
Remember, don't be shy. Speak English every day, even a little.
Yes, practice makes progress, not perfect,
And mistakes? Totally okay. We make them too.
especially Jake.
Hey, that hurts, but it's true.
Haha, thank you for listening, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed this fun market conversation.
Practice these sentences today.
And come back for more English fun.
Bye-bye, everyone.
See you next time, and don't forget,
Keep practicing English.
and keep smiling.